Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm your friend Vikas Malhotra, and you are watching your own favorite channel, Vikas Malhotra Official VMO. In this video, we will learn some of the amazing functions related to MS Excel, which are really very useful. Now, as you can see on your computer screen, these are the functions which we are going to learn today in the session of this video. We will start with our first function, which is how to calculate original loan amount. Then we will move to how to calculate compound interest in MS Excel. That's pretty interesting. And quickly after that, we will move to our third point, which is how to calculate original value from current value. And in the last, we will learn how to reverse our text in MS Excel. So I hope you will enjoy this video. If you like this video, press like and share this video as much as possible. If you have not subscribed my channel so far, or you are a new visitor, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So guys, let's start.
Alright, now as you can see on your spreadsheet, this is the database where we are going to calculate the original loan amount. And you can see there is an interest rate, there is a monthly payment, periods and compounding periods per year, and we have to calculate here original loan amount. We will put some hypothetical data, which is 8.85% is the interest rate, and the monthly payment we will going to make in -5229, and periods will be 100 months and compounding periods 12. Now here we will put the formula. What is the formula is equal to, you can see on your computer screen, it's PV present value bracket. Now you can see the syntax, which is rate is C5 oblique C8. So by this way we will find out the rate, and then comma NPER, which is going to be the number of periods. The number of periods, you can see C7, which is 100, and then it's comma, and it's PMT. PMT stands for the payment made each period. Now you can see the original loan amount. This is the correct one. By this way you can find the original loan amount. Okay, so now we will calculate the compound interest, and this is the database. The present value is there, interest rate is there, terms is there, compounding periods per year is there, and we have to find out the future value. We have to calculate the compound interest. Let's put some data like 1000 as a present value, interest rate 5%, and terms will be 10 years and compounding periods 12. And now we have to put the formula. What is the formula? As you can see on your computer screen, is equal to FV. FV stands for future value, and then bracket start. And what is the syntax? Syntax is the same. The rate will be find out C6 oblique C8. Okay, so that is going to be 5% oblique 12, and then comma. Now I have to find out NPER. Okay, so that's going to be C7 multiplied by C8, as you can see on your computer screen. Then again comma, and then you have to type 0 and then comma, and then minus C5, which is your present value. Okay, now close the bracket and press enter, and you can see this is the compound interest you can calculate through MS Excel. This is your future value. Alright, now this time we have to find out the original value from your current value. You have the current value and you have the percentage, I mean the present increase, but you have to find out what was the original value. Okay, you have put in the data. Now I have to put the formula. Formula is equal to, and C6 oblique in B6 plus 1, and that you have to write in bracket. Let me put the bracket over here. Okay, press enter. Now this is the original value, this is the starting value, and you can round it off. And if you want to round it off, you have to put the formula round, put bracket, and suppose you want to figure after decimal, you have to write 2 and you can see the result on your computer screen, 173.91. This is the original value. All right, now we are going to learn how to reverse a list in Excel. Now there are two columns, normal list and reverse list. In normal list, I will put some data, like say if I put A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. All right, now what I have to do is I have to reverse this total list or text through a formula in MS Excel, and the formula is on your computer screen, which I will write over here. And just to before writing the formula, I have to select the normal list and denote it with some name like list, as I have done here. You can see on your computer screen. Now I will put the formula is index bracket start, then I will type list, which I've denoted, and then comma, I will write count A. Okay, so count A here returns the count of non-blank items in the list. Okay, and in the bracket I will again type list and bracket close plus all right, row. So here row will return the starting row number of list. Okay, and in the bracket you will type list, then minus row, and the blank bracket, then comma, and 1. Okay, now you can see, you can drag this formula to till the end, and you can see that this list has been reversed. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you so much.